Friday, August 1st, 2025. I ordered a travel mug that's trending, but it was too heavy, so I returned it. I should just get a bag for my plastic bottle. Most US stocks are down, so I'm buying the dip. Saturday, August 2nd, 2025. Since Agoda hotel prices keep going up and down, I rebooked mine when it dropped. My friend turned the duvet cover. I gave him into pillow covers. I made mando with pork, but it wasn't as good as with chicken. Sunday, August 3rd, 2025. I'm picking out some containers to do a big cleaning out of my fridge. I'm going through the failed mando. I'm checking how much it costs to cancel a mileage ticket just in case. Monday, August 4th, 2025. The containers I ordered arrived dirty, so I returned them right away. My friend challenged me to an Apple Watch workout. He also started a low-sugar diet to be healthier. Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. I failed all the pavilion lotteries, but I changed the entry time to 10 a.m. I feel satisfied with the shortcut I made for stock trading. The stocks that crashed are going back up now. Wednesday, August 6, 2025. I changed the expo ticket again to 9 a.m. at the West Gate. I finally finished organizing the fridge. I made a quick profit trading Disney. Thursday, August 7th, 2025. Now it's labeling time to wrap up the organizing. Mom and I should also go to the US this year using our miles. It's not for the miles expiring, but for the musical Noah, which is just for this year. Friday, August 8th, 2025. I realized my fridge needs a bit more tweaking. Ordered some more containers for shelves with different heights. Also some extra label tapes for more colors. Saturday, August 9th, 2025. I hung out at my friend's place today. We went to some of his go-to restaurants and took a walk around in the evening. I was surprised at how clean his place was. Sunday, August 10th, 2025. Tried raw veggies for breakfast and it was pretty good. Also tried some sugar-free roll cakes and liked them. The udon made with the noodles from Takamatsu was just okay. Monday, August 11th, 2025. I'm switching all my dishes to dishwashable ones. Found out the fridge has different temperatures in each section. Rearranged all the food to match the right spot. Tuesday, August 12th, 2025. Thought about buying a new bed but gave up due to the price. Try cleaning the outdoor AC unit after hearing that dust might be the reason for the problem, but it didn't help. bought a mini clip fan from Daiso. Wednesday, August 13th, 2025. The containers I bought got cheaper, so I ordered new ones and returned the old ones. Also got some cutlery, holders and an egg tray. Found a YouTube channel that only corrects spelling mistakes like I do. Thursday, August 14th, 2025. Ordered mini containers for portioning Greek yogurt. Use the automatic slicer to cut green onions. Try messaging in Japanese with my mom. Friday, August 15th, 2025. Still dealing with the heat without AC. Hopefully I can get the repair service sometime when my cleaning is done. Lost the Apple Fitness Challenge with my friend. Saturday, August 16th, 2025. Happened to wake up at dawn and went for a walk right away. Found out the whole wheat bread I've been eating only has 2% whole wheat. The clip fan from Daiso works better than I expected. Sunday, August 17th, 2025. Checking how to visit the Noah's Ark in Kentucky. Going with a tour makes the trip easier, but it won't give us enough time to look around. Made mashed potatoes without cream, and they still turned out great. Monday, August 18th, 2025. I asked to replace a dirty container earlier, but they sent another dirty one. The pork for mandu smelled bad, so I tried marinating it more but failed. Recommended my dentist to a friend. Tuesday, August 19th, 2025. I wish YouTube let me filter out certain people. My friend seems happy with the dentist I recommended. He's planning to get his wisdom tooth out next week. Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. The deposit protection limit is going up to 100 million won soon. Got some plastic bag dispensers to organize my drawers. TV started blocking account sharing like Netflix. Thursday, August 21st, 2025. We decided to visit New York on our mileage trip this year. We can get to the musical Noah from there by train. Mom's worried after the news about people being stuck at the Osaka Expo. Friday, August 22nd, 2025. I found out making Greek yogurt is easier than I thought. The Noah's Ark tour isn't running this year, so we decided to rent a car. It's a bit nerve-wracking driving abroad for the first time. Saturday, August 23rd, 2025. One of my savings accounts ended and I restarted it. I checked how to get to Noah's Ark from the train station with Lyft just in case. I ordered a Greek yogurt starter. Sunday, August 24th, 2025. I almost finished clearing out the stuff in the outdoor unit room. It's a relief. I didn't get charged too much for electricity last month. I keep checking for award flights. Monday, August 25th, 2025. The jlpt N2 results came out today and I passed. It was actually challenging for my level, but I barely made it. I'll take N1 next year after studying properly. Tuesday, August 26, 2025. My friend who's good at Japanese can't believe I passed N2. They said my Japanese was only around N5 or N4 level just a few months ago. I only drilled past exams for 2 months, and maybe that somehow worked. Wednesday, August 27th, 2025. I went through all my external hard drives and organized them. Found some space under the bed, so I stored some stuff there. Loaded the things I plan to sell into my car for now. Thursday, August 28th, 2025. My mom seems like she wants to see the Thanksgiving parade on our trip if possible. She also wants to see the Christmas lights, so we'll probably have to go during peak season. Even one day can make a big difference in hotel prices, so I've gotta be super strategic with the dates. Friday, August 29th, 2025. The thing is, there aren't many tickets left for Noah's musical. We should get the tickets first and plan the schedule around that. I managed to get mileage tickets for now, but I'll keep rebooking until the schedule is set. Saturday, August 30th, 2025. I grabbed some seats for the musical, Noah, even though they're kind of in the back. Maybe we're going to spend Thanksgiving in Chicago and see the Christmas lights in New York. Somehow, Airbnb is more expensive than hotels in the US. Sunday, August 31st, 2025. I'm cutting out bread after finishing what's left. I found out New York's Christmas tree lights up starting on the 3rd. That means we should plan to be in New York then.